Insertion of an oropharyngeal airway. I'm going to size it up first. So I want the flange roughly level with the incisors, and then the curve will finish approximately at the angle of the mandible. So this is going to be about the right size. When I put the oropharyngeal airway in, I'm going to gently tilt the head slightly. I'm going to insert this upside down to start with. I'm just letting it drop into the mouth. And once it won't go any further, a gentle twist of 180 degrees. And then you can see on this model how it sits neatly with the tip at the edge of the oropharynx, and the curve is following the shape of the tongue, but keeping the tongue out of the way from obstructing the airway. Once the Guedel is in place, we may still need to do simple airway opening manoeuvres to make sure the airway is patent. This could be a head tilt, or more likely a little jaw thrust, just to make sure the Guedel is sitting neatly in place. Once the airway is secured, we can add in oxygen if the patient requires it. As the patient begins to regain consciousness, we may make the decision to remove the oropharyngeal airway. We want to avoid them coughing or gagging on the tube too much, so if we get the sense they can maintain their own airway, we'll just gently pull it out, following the curve of the tube itself.